Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make dark chocolate ganache sauce. This 2-ingredient dessert sauce is perfect for drizzling on top of cakes, cupcakes, brownies, and ice cream. It's dairy-free and it's completely delicious. Let me show you guys how to make it. So all we need are 2 simple ingredients to make this vegan dark chocolate ganache sauce. The first is going to be dark chocolate. I'm using my favorite organic mini dark chocolate chips that I use for everything and especially for melting chocolate. But if you guys want to use a chopped up dark chocolate bar, you can totally do that too. You just want to make sure that the pieces are small so that it melts easily. And then next we're going to need some coconut milk. So we're going to add 8 ounces of our dark chocolate into a heat-proof bowl. And now you guys can do this in the microwave or you can do this using a double boiler, either works. I'm just going to use the microwave method today because it is just so much easier. Next we're going to add in 1 cup of coconut milk. Now we're just going to microwave this doing 30-second intervals, stirring between each one. So once everything's combined, then it's ready. And now I like to transfer this into a glass jar for storage. So now I like to store this in the fridge for a few hours before using. This is just going to help solidify it a little bit. That's what's going to make it that perfect consistency for using it on top of layer cakes to get that perfect chocolate ganache drip. This is how we mostly use it at my bake shop. But it's also perfect for drizzling on top of cupcakes, adding on top of ice cream as a dessert sauce, or you can even use it as a dipping sauce for cookies, biscotti, and more. This will stay good in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy baking tutorials just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.